Meniscal root repair using Osteocare Root Fix All Suture Anchor. Medial meniscus root tears are a common injury affecting patients of all ages. This novel technique utilizes the root fix anchor to repair the root tear, restoring the meniscus to its native position. The procedure begins with the creation of standard anterior portals and an accessory medial portal. Next, the tibial cartilage is debrided using a curved meniscus curette, exposing the subchondral bone. This biological bed is essential for healing. The Osteocare Accurate Multi-Use Drill Guide is inserted through the anteromedial portal, and a tibial tunnel is drilled using a 2.3 mm drill bit. The drill bit is then replaced with a cannulated sleeve without removing the drill guide. The crosswire loop is advanced through the cannulated sleeve and retrieved through the anterior portal using suture grasper with manipulator. The OsteoBraid lupin is then loaded into the loop of the crosswire. The crosswire is pulled through the tibial tunnel, resulting in the continuous passage of the OsteoBraid lupin from the anteromedial portal to the tibial tunnel. The introducer fiber of the root fix anchor is then passed into the loop of the OsteoBraid lupin. The introducer fiber is then retrieved from the accessory medial portal by pulling the OsteoBraid lupin. The introducer fiber is carefully pulled to insert the root fix anchor in a retrograde manner into the bone tunnel until it reaches approximately 15 to 20 mm beneath the tibial plateau. Once the anchor is in the subchondral bone region, it is deployed by pulling the anchor sutures on the anteromedial portal. The introducer fiber is carefully removed by pulling it while slightly holding the anchor sutures. Using the Python Mini Automatic Suture Passer, sutures are passed one by one through the meniscus using the preferred technique. Once all sutures are passed, sliding knots are tied and pushed over the meniscus using a knot pusher. The excess sutures are trimmed off using a suture cutter. Completing the process of the meniscus root repair. The Root Fix All Suture Anchor technique offers numerous advantages, including world's first all-suture anchor with patented retrograde technology, metal-less soft anchor for soft tissue fixation, requires only 2.3 mm tunnel drilling, minimizing bone loss and promoting faster recovery, compared to conventional techniques that require 4.5 mm tunnel drilling. Robust fixation near the root avulsion minimizes the risk of tunnel collision, making it ideal for multi-ligament surgeries like ACL reconstruction with root or HTO with root repair. Prevention of osteoarthritis by restoring proper meniscal function and root attachment.